Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can use the search bar right here in our Google Sheet, right? But where can we really find that search bar? If you notice right up here, is where we call the search bar. Alright, so for instance, you're searching for something, you can literally click right in here to find it. So for instance, if I want to find monthly, notice that as soon as I put M, if you notice right there, that's showing the monthly budget right there. Alright. So let me put something else right there. Alright, so for instance, I'm going to look for a balance sheet. Alright, you notice? You give several other stuff right there, so balance sheet right here. Just the same. Definitely, that exactly, if you notice some of that stuff right down here. So, alright, so for instance, if I'm looking for a project, I can say project. Alright, pro. Alright, if you notice, that's really the project right here. So this is exactly where you can actually use the search bar. You can even come right here, click to clear whatever in it. Very important. So this is where you use the search bar right in Google Sheet. So remember to share, like, and subscribe.